What is PSYCH-K? PSYCH-K is a proven method for over 35 years with hundreds of thousands of people in the world that you can easily integrate in your daily life to change the subconscious beliefs that perpetuate the old habits of thought and behavior that you would like to change. PSYCH-K is essentially a spiritual process with psychological and physical benefits. While the term psych is often used as shorthand for psychology, in our case it is used as a variant of the Greek word psyche, which means mind, soul, or spirit. The letter K represents the key to achieving sustainable success. The main goal with PSYCH-K is to support you in freeing your mind from beliefs that limit the possibility of recognizing yourself as a spiritual being having a human experience. Living your life from this awareness has a profoundly expansive effect on your mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being, and it is an essential step on the path to self-realization. PSYCH-K adapts to your unique needs. It finds you where you are in your life journey. It is a tailor-made process that helps you transform what is relevant at the physical, mental, emotional, and/or spiritual level. PSYCH-K is practical spirituality applied to daily life. With PSYCH-K, you can reduce stress and anxiety, strengthen your immune system, improve your work or sports performance, increase your self-esteem, have more balanced and loving interpersonal relationships, overcome traumas, fears or phobias, align yourself with the purpose of your life, recover your personal power, and create abundance and much more. PSYCH-K helps you be the peace you seek.